Hi friends, today I am going to prepare this part in Creo software. You can see the base size is 100 by 63 mm, height is 75 mm. We can create this entire sketch in one step, but I will show you how to create step by step and how it will happen machining after taking the solid block. You can see first we need to take 100 by 63 by 75 mm solid block. First I will create the solid block. Select new part solid, remove this, give the name here, click OK. Here select MMNS solid, OK. Select the plane, sketch, select the center rectangle, give the dimension 100, this is 63 mm, 100 by 63 mm, 100 by 63 mm. Finish sketch, extrude up to 75 mm. OK. Turn off the all planes and also go to view, change to shading with edges. So first I will do this cutout. (38) here to here and depth is 75 minus 25 is equal to 50 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select the corner rectangle, give the dimension here to 38 mm. Finish sketch, select extrude, remove material, reverse it up to 50 mm. OK, one cutout is ready. Next I will do this cutout. Both side 12 mm, depth is 9 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select the same corner rectangle, give the dimension 12 mm. This side also 12 mm and height is 9. Finish sketch, select extrude, remove material, reverse through all. OK. So second cutout is ready. Again you can see top side one cutout is there. Dimension is 19 mm depth, 38 mm down length, both the side 25 mm gap. Select this surface, sketch, select the rectangle, give the dimension here to 25 mm. and depth is 19 mm. Finish sketch, select extrude, remove material, reverse up to 38 mm. Up to 38 mm. Okay. So 3 cutouts are done. One more cutout is there. You can see this cutout, both the side 32 mm and height is 25 mm. Give the dimension 32. This side also 32. Okay. Extrude, remove material, reverse through hull. Okay. So all the cutouts are ready. So basic part is also ready. Now we can assign the material here. Select the entire part, view appearances. So we can see the material here: brass, PTC, titanium, steel polished, gold, I will select this. Okay, that's it friends. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.